Rascheff here, Take It to the Next Level. Thank you so much for coming today. Welcome to my channel to talk about Module 2 from the primer, Take It to the Next Level, How to Rise in Life. Module 2 is called Step by Step. What this means is that if we want to move higher, if we want to take it to another level in our lives, we have to do this one step at a time. Conceptions about moving forward is trying to skip steps and move forward faster than what is possible or feasible. I know you've probably tried this, I've probably tried this. In this desire that we have to move forward, we might just think to ourselves, hey, can I just speed this up? Can I go a little faster? Well, the answer is no. So let me give you an example. According to a teacher named Drunvalo Melchizedek, there are 144 dimensions or levels of consciousness. So we live in the third dimension, and we can barely imagine what it might be like to live in the fourth dimension, let alone the 144th dimension. I hear people speak all the time about the fifth dimension and higher, so I really wonder if they realize what they're saying. So thanks a lot for this short video today. Be well, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and let's take it to the next level together. Bye for now.